Okay, let's talk about improve fluently in English. One suggestion is thinking in English. We have to start thinking in English. Sometimes we want to translate every word in our mind, and that is slow. That's not an effective way to speak fluently. So we have to start thinking in English. That is a good way to improve our fluency. We have to talk every day. If we have some friends who speak English as native speakers, we can do it. But if we don't have them, we can speak with ourselves, with myself. That is the best. That's a good way to practice English. We can also use a mirror in order to see your mouth or face, if our fluency pronunciation is good, and we can change or we can observe if we have to make some changes. Now, another way to speak better English is focus on fluency, not grammar. Sometimes we focus on every single word have to be in the correct part, but sometimes it get us worse or it makes us to speak slower or not confident. So we have to speak better. We have to relax. We have to focus on fluency. We have to try to explain our ideas and not only the grammar mistakes or grammar rules. So another one is a tongue twister or the tongue twisters. They are really good because we can learn new words, pronunciations, and we have to speak slowly and then fastly, and then we can pronounce better the words. Listen and repeat. It's another suggestion that we have. We have to listen native speakers with TV shows, music, etc., and we have to try to repeat. We have to repeat the pronunciation, the intonation, the stressed words, stressed syllables, etc. This will help us to improve, to sound like a native speaker. Okay, that's a good way to improve them. Okay, another way is to sing songs along in English. Music, we like some songs in English, so we can sing them. We can read the lyrics and we can try or we can follow the singer in order to sound like them. This will help us and this will relax us too because it's music that we like and singing them is a nice trick to improve our fluency. So another way is to tell a story in Spanish. Well, a Spanish story translated to English, but don't write them and then tell, but tell the story in English. We can say, for example, the three little pigs. There are three little pigs, and there is a wolf, and la 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 la. So we can tell this story in English, and then we will know if our English is so good or we have to improve something, vocabulary, pronunciation, etc. And another way we can do is practice for specific situations. Okay, for example, we are with friends and we don't know how to order in a restaurant, for example, or we don't know how to speak or about music, sport, or something like that. We can practice those topics. Or for example, if you need an interview in English, you can uh, look for some questions. For example, talk about yourself in 30 seconds, or for example, what was your last job, or what did you learn in your last job. So practice those kind of things. The specific question, the specific topics will help us to increase our vocabulary and to increase our confidence and fluency in English. So these are some suggestions to improve English. I hope you enjoyed and I hope this is useful for you. Thank you so much.